know why we have those ocean animals in our hands?
Because we are going to have ocean adventures. Join us!
Before our trip, do you know that there are two types of ocean? Cold, like Pacific Ocean,
And warm ocean like the Atlantic Ocean. Look over there! It is our ship to take adventures.
but it's too far away. How can we get there?
Jump on my back, I can take you to the ship.
Dolphins are very smart and playful animals. They like to blow bubbles. Their main enemies are sharks.
Do you know that dolphins sleep with one eye closed and one open? They do that because they come up for air and they keep an eye out for enemies.
Thank you, dear dolphin. You are so kind. Hooray!
Hooray!
It's a nice ship.
Mom, I see something in the water.
Yes, it looks like a bottle. Maybe there is a letter inside the bottle. Let's check it. Alina, I see SOS on the letter. It means someone needs our help.
Hi, my name is Chico. I am a parrot. An evil witch has stolen me and is bringing me to a desert island to leave me there forever. I am writing while the witch is sleeping. Probably someone will find the bottle with my letter and will be able to help me. I put a map how to get to the island. Mom, can we help this poor fur baby?
Of course, we will find the desert island and help the bird to go home.
I will hide the sun behind the thickest clouds, and you cannot sail on the ship.
It's getting darker. I can't see anything.
Mom, I see lights in the water. What is that?
Alina, we are very lucky. They are called jellies. Their bodies make their own lights. We can continue our trip if jellies agree to come with us and glow in the dark.
It is so soft and squishy. It has no bones. The sun is coming. It is melting the thick clouds away.
This time you won't make it. I will bring to life the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth, and it will block your way. You can continue your way only if you find an animal larger than a dinosaur. There is no such animal.
Mom, we won't be able to help the poor parrot. There is no bigger animal than a dinosaur.
They are huge, Alina, it's true. But There is a living water animal who is bigger than any dinosaur. Guess what it is? It's a blue whale. Imagine 3 school buses stuck in a line. That is the size of a blue whale. Its tongue weighs as much as the whole elephant.
Ooh, I like elephants. Dear whale, please help us. We cannot save the parrot without you. The huge dinosaur blocked our way. Look, a turtle needs our help. Mom, look! The baby turtles are running to the water so funny.
When baby turtles hatch out of eggs, they run to water as fast as they can. Otherwise, their enemies can eat them. Alina, the birds are their enemies on land.
No! Fly away! Don't eat the babies!
You continue your way again. Well, this time I will build the highest wall. You can fly over the wall only on a fish that has wings. Flying fish, it does not exist. Ha 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 ha. Now you definitely can't save the poor parrot.
Alina, I think I know a fish that seems to have wings and that flies underwater. It's manta ray.
This fish doesn't have bones, but has a big mouth with 300 tiny teeth. It never sleeps. It can jump out of the water.
Alina, I know how to defeat the witch. We need to find the funniest fish. It can help us to get rid of the witch forever. The fish hides at the deep bottom of the ocean because everyone laughs at how she looks. This is the funniest and at the same time the saddest fish. It's a blobfish.
How will she help us to get rid of the witch?
You will see.
The blue whale can call the blobfish.
I'm the ugliest fish. Everyone laughs at me.
Dear blobfish, everybody will love you because you can help defeat the witch.
I would do it with pleasure, but I don't know how.
Don't swim away and let the witch to see you.
You are a great friend, dear blobfish. Thank you so much. Now we can continue our way and save the poor parrot.
Chico! Chico!
Chico!
Where are you?
Don't be afraid, no more witch.
We are ready to go home. Would you like to live with us?
Yeah!
It was the coolest adventure, and we got so many friends.
If you liked our trip, then please like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Bye!